Lk Metro. Climax Club, my right. Sugar, a go-go bar on my left. Touch a go-go on my left. Pulse a go-go on my right. There's the fuck in. It's a great name. Murphy's Law. Kiss a go-go. Fever Bar on my left. Paris a go-go on my left. Destiny a go-go on my right. There's the Boom Bar. Devil's Den. Those of you who want some kinky action, that's the place to go, man. Italian bar, Billabong bar, and hotel. I-Rovers, sports bar and restaurant. Ahead of me on my right. Some good food there. Cafe Racer, music bar as well. They got some good, decent food there as well. Office Club. Used to be called the Office at Go-Go. Looks like they renovated it and it looks pretty good. I went inside a few nights ago and it looks really good inside. New owners. Dolls, LK. Queen a go-go. Oh, Queen Club a go-go. Ninja a go-go. Crystal Club a go-go. And they got the Crystal Suites right above Crystal Club a go-go. Stayed there a couple nights and the rooms are awesome. Decently priced as well, so yeah, you gotta check out this Office Club. Looks pretty cool inside. A lot better than the previous Office go-go that was there for years and years. Showgirls. There's a Kink a go-go. Bachelor a go-go. Ladylove. And finally, last go-go bar, Champagne a go-go. The first go-go bar on Soi Lk Metro. I remember those days. Scooters bar on my left as well. Rock House, Pandora's, 60 to now. Getting ready to, starting to open now. And here's the Keerati Homestay. This is one of the first guest houses on this on Soi Lk Metro as well. And you know what? When it first opened, it was really, really nice. The rooms were really good. It was kind of cool looking, you know. And if you stay here, you can use the Metropole swimming pool and their gym as well. There's a little pathway that leads up to Metropole Hotel, which is right in front of me. And the pool is right over there. Pointing right there. So stay at this Keerati Homestay hotel, guest house. You could use the pool and the gym, which is very convenient. Beware, it is very noisy if you stay here. Obviously, you got all the bars here, so you won't get a good night's sleep. very calm right now, but once the sun goes down, this place gets rocking. It's busy. A lot of sexy ladies, a lot of drinking, lots of partying, a lot of good times. Let's go down Soi Diana. Soi Diana. Might as well just continue on walking. Enrica Lodge on my left. And you got a bunch of beer bars on my right here. Heartbeat Beer Bar. Got a nice little Lee's Diner on my right here. I'll go this way. Let's walk across. Beer bars on my left here. And eventually we will hit more beer bars on my left just before Kiss Restaurant, Beef Eaters Restaurant, Longhorn Steakhouse Restaurant, and there's a few other restaurants in there as well. There's Belgian restaurant, Indian restaurants. Pattaya, a go-go bar as well, is over there. And you know what? I'm gonna go for a massage. I like to go for a massage over here. Here's all the beer bars I was talking about. Well, I like to go for a massage here. Awesome massage, strictly Thai massage. It's a little more pricey, but it's really good. Thai body massage, 200 baht. Foot massage relaxation massage, 200 baht as well. Body oil massage, 300 baht. Body aroma massage, 500 baht. Facial treatment, that's 1,500. So you can get a sport massage here too. So I think it's a little extra. Open from 10 till 10. Okay, I'm gonna go in. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to Pattaya Thailand. Thank you.